Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Upadhyay and I am going to teach English to class 5th. Now, the first lesson is a poem and the title of the poem is Waiting at the Window. The poet is Alan Alexander Milne. This is Alan Alexander Milne. Now let us get the introduction about this poem. Here this poem is about a boy who is watching the rain sitting in front of the window, and suddenly his eyes move to two drops of water. He saw two drops of water moving slowly down. So there he imagined them as they are racing. Those two drops of water are racing. He has given them two names also. One is James and one is John. Now I'll explain you this poem. The first line: these are my two drops of rain waiting on the window pane. I am waiting here to see which the winning one will be. So, these are my two drops of rain waiting on the window pane. He says that those two drops of rain are there. They are waiting on the window pane. I am waiting here to see which the winning one will be. Now he is just sitting and watching and waiting which one will win. Both of them have different names. One is John and one is James. So he has given them two names. One is John and one is James. All the best and all the worst comes from which of them is first. So both of them are best, both of them are worst. Now let us see who will come the first, means who will win the race. Now he is the one I want to, James has begun to ooze. James has begun to ooze. Now here the meaning of ooze is to trickle down slowly. Trickle down slowly means to just move on a surface slowly, downwards. Okay. So James has begun to ooze. He is the one I want to lose. So here the boy has chosen James to lose this race. He wants James to lose the race. John is waiting to begin. John has not yet started with James, and now John will start after James. He is the one I want to win. So this boy wants John to win the race. James is going slowly on. Something sort of sticks to John. Now James has started slowly, and somewhere something stuck to him. Something sort of sticks to John. Sort of means we can say something indefinite. John is moving off at last. James is going pretty fast. Now he is seeing both the drops of water racing, and he is telling about the position. Who is winning, who is losing, who is forward, who is backward. So John is moving off at last. James is going pretty fast. John has already started, and James is going pretty fast. Here James is at a little bit more speed. John is rushing down the pane. James is going slow again. So now after James, John speeds up. Okay, and he rushes, means hurries down the pane, the window pane. James is going slow again. Now James is slower. James has met a sort of smear. Here smear means what? Smear means it's a kind of a greasy mark stuck to the window pane on the glass. You might have seen many times or somewhere on the glass of the window pane, some kind of marks are there, a kind of greasy mark it is. So when we used to clean it, we used to put this cloth in water and then we wipe it out. So such kind of mark is there. That is the meaning of smear, greasy mark. Okay. James has met a sort of smear. John is getting very near. So just because of this smear, this mark, the speed of James has slowed down, and then John is getting very near. John is just behind him. He is getting near to him. Is he going fast enough? James has found a piece of fluff. So now the boy asks to himself, is he going fast enough? James has found a piece of fluff. Here the meaning of fluff is fabric. Okay. John has quickly hurried by. James was talking to a fly. So while James was talking to a fly, means a fly just came nearby this James, the drop of water, and it's an imagination. So by that imagination we can say that James was talking to a fly, means that James stopped near a fly. Okay. John is there and John has won. Look, I told you, here is the sun. John is there and John has won, means John is there, means John is the first who won the race. Okay. Look, I told you, here is the sun. Since this boy had predicted that John will win the race. So as according to his expectation, it happened here, and John won the race. So that's why the boy says here, look, I told you, here is the sun. Here is the sun means here is the victorious, that victory person or victory John. Okay. So this is the explanation of the poem. Now, since you cannot attend the classes, now it is your duty to sit at home and honestly study. Now here, this chapter you have to learn the poem, full poem you have to learn. Okay, as you were doing in the previous years, that maximum 10 lines were given in the exam to write, and then for the recitation, full poem, writing full poem. So it would be better for you to learn the full poem and prepare it. Already I have given you the question answers of this lesson, so prepare the lesson also. Now next video I will come to you with the second chapter. Okay, till then.